Schubert's Big Voice by Dr. Becky A. Bailey and Leigh Ann Burdick. Illustrated by James Hrkach. Schubert's Big Voice. It's the first day of school at Bug Valley. Shubert is so excited that while getting dressed, he sings, "Hooray, hooray, it's a wonderful day." Schubert's sister Sophie hears him singing and shouts, "I know a secret." Shubert, being a lightning bug, gets so excited that his body lights up with a golden glow. What is the secret?" he asks. Sophie looks to see if anyone is around, then quietly whispers to Shubert, "There's a new teacher at school who does magic. She's a beautiful butterfly named Mrs. Bookbinder. My friend told me Mrs. Bookbinder can make rainbows appear." Shubert isn't sure he believes his new teacher can make rainbows appear. He is sure that he is excited, so he continues to sing his song, "Hooray, hooray, it's a wonderful day. Hooray, hooray, I'm on my way." While singing, Shubert has a brilliant idea. "I'll take Mrs. Bookbinder an apple. It will be a gift to help her feel welcome in Bug Valley." Shubert carefully packs his apple into his backpack so it won't get squished, squashed, smashed, or splattered. Off he goes to school. When Shubert reaches the door of his classroom, he gently pulls out the apple to admire his gift. It is the shiniest, biggest, reddest, juiciest apple Shubert has ever seen. He safely places the apple back in his bag. Just then, Benny pushes his way through the door, trampling over Shubert. Bam! Shubert hits the floor. Slam! The backpack falls open. Thump! Out rolls the apple. "Ow!" yells Shubert as he watches the apple bounce across the room. Thump, 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 thump. It stops at Benny's feet. "Look, an apple! I am so hungry," Benny says with delight. "Hey, that's mine!" shouts Shubert from the floor. Benny just laughs and puts the apple in his pocket. When Shubert sees Benny take his apple, he feels his face get hot and his insides quiver. He can hear his heart beating. He feels mad, really mad. Benny has taken his apple and Shubert doesn't know what to do about it. Suddenly, Shubert feels a soft breeze blow across his face as a beautiful butterfly appears. "Greetings, my friend," she states. "My name is Mrs. Bookbinder." Shubert looks up at his new teacher. She looks like an 8-foot-tall angel. Mrs. Bookbinder says in a soothing voice, "Your arms are folded like this and your forehead is wrinkled just like this." Shubert feels understood. His body begins to relax. "You seem very mad. Something scary must have happened," she asks as she reaches out her hand to help Shubert to his feet. Without thinking, he takes her hand. As he stands up, she kneels down, eye to eye. Shubert feels a sense of comfort and safety as he shares his story. "I brought you an apple. It was the shiniest, biggest, reddest, juiciest apple ever. Benny knocked me down and took it." Mrs. Bookbinder instantly understands. Shubert feels mad because Benny pushed him down and took his apple. Shubert did not know the words to use to express himself to Benny to get his apple back. "Did you like it when he pushed you?" Mrs. Bookbinder asks. No way! It hurt, and I dropped everything, Shubert snaps. In a slow, firm voice, Mrs. Bookbinder guides Shubert. Then go tell Benny, I don't like it when you push me. Give me back my apple. Say it now for practice. Me tell Benny? Schubert's eyebrows rise up and his eyes open wide. His knees tremble as he swallows 2 big gulps in his throat. Then he whispers in a little tiny voice, I don't like it when you push me. Mrs. Bookbinder senses Shubert is feeling scared, so she takes his hand. Shubert, let's find your big voice. Make your voice match mine. She speaks slowly and firmly. I don't like it when you push me. Give me back my apple. Shubert listens carefully. Shubert understands what he needs to do. He needs to use his big voice so Benny will listen to his words. Shubert collects his courage by taking a deep breath. Then he firmly says, I don't like it when you push me. Give me back my apple. Mrs. Bookbinder nods. Practice is over. Shubert is ready to talk to Benny. Shubert, with his heart beating fast, walks toward Benny. Standing straight and tall in front of Benny, Shubert says in his big voice, I don't like it when you push me. Give me back my apple. All is quiet in the classroom. Benny stares at Shubert. Shubert stares at Benny. Mrs. Bookbinder watches them both. Then Benny reaches into his pocket. You mean this apple? He questions. Yes, that apple, says Shubert, looking directly into Benny's eyes. Okay, here you go. And Benny hands the apple to Shubert. Shubert is shocked and excited. His whole lightning bug body lights up with joy. Wow, my words have power. My words have power. My words have power. He jumps with joy. Then, like magic, he sees a rainbow appear out the window. You really are magic, he says to Mrs. Bookbinder with amazement. He proudly gives her the shiniest, biggest, reddest, and juiciest apple ever. Shubert, we are all magic, Mrs. Bookbinder says. We just need to believe in ourselves and each other. I do believe, Shubert says. I do believe. Shubert feels elated and continues to sing his song. Hooray, hooray, it's a wonderful day. Hooray, hooray, I'm on my way. Stop, I don't like it, are powerful words to say. It's magic, I can use it every day. The class joins in, and they all sing Schubert's song together. Hooray, hooray, it's a wonderful day. Hooray, hooray, I'm on my way. Stop, I don't like it, are powerful words to say. It's magic, I can use it every day.